enjoy this beautiful day, kids. Yeah! Whee!
Let's have some fun, Baby John. Hey!
Daddy Finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Daddy Finger, what do you do?
Eat my sandwich, that's what I do. Hey, that squirrel took my sandwich.
Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, what do you do? I am reading, that's what I do. Hey, squirrel, come back with my glasses. And that's my book. Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, what do you do? Play baseball, that's what I do.
Catch it, son.
Oh! Hey, give me that! Good pitch, squirrel! Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, what do you do? Play with dolls, that's what I do. Oh. Come back with my doll. Oh no. Oh. Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, what do you do? Play with friends, that's what I do. What a funny friend, Baby John.
Oh, that squirrel.